In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.3, question number 14. And question we have integral of dx divided by under root 7 minus 6x minus x square. Right, this is the quadratic formula, so we will arrange it. See, in polynomials, I told you always you have to arrange according to the terms or degrees. So this x square will come first, then minus 6x plus constant term, and then one more step, this minus we will take as a common in order to make this first term positive. So it will be negative x square plus 6x plus 7. Right, now we will make the perfect square of this. So it is in the numerator we have dx divided by negative. So see, perfect square, make the square of the first term. We are going to use a plus b whole square plus 2. Instead of a we have x, but instead of b we do not have anything. You have to find out. It is very easy. You have to write down the number here. When we multiply with 2, we have to get 6x. So if I will write down 3, right, 2, 3 times 6, which is equal to 6x. So see, this 3 is extra. It was not in the question. I have written it here. So same thing, the square of this I have to add, the square of this I have to subtract. Technically these will cancel each other, so only we have the remaining the question. So and then is minus, because here it is minus, and this is negative. Why? Because we have taken negative as a common, so it should be minus. And then see, it will be the perfect square. I can do it here. Dx, and then still we have the under root sign with the negative as common, x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7. From where minus 9 and 7? See, here and starting from x till here, x plus 3 whole square, and this is 3 multiplied by 3, which is equal to negative 9, negative 7. That is why I have put here one more step. We will simplify it. Minus, it is x plus 3 whole square minus 16. So you know that 16 is the perfect square is 4. We can write down x plus 3 whole square minus 4 square, right? Now if we will multiply, or I can do direct. So see, this is minus and it will be then positive, minus minus positive. I can make it positive here. So it is dx over 4 square, and negative we will take it here in order to make it easy. So again from here we can do, or we can write down our answer. This is equal to sine inverse x plus 3 variable divided by constant plus c. But this exercise is based on the substitute method. I have told you many times. That is why we are going to suppose it that this x plus 3 is equal to t. So dt over dx, 2 times we will suppose, okay, this one, and then dt is equal to dx. So see, instead of this dx we can write down dt divided by 4 square minus x plus 3 is equal to t. So this is a square, it is like this. Again we will suppose that t is equal to 4 sine of theta. See, 2 times we are going to suppose t is equal to this, t is equal to this. So at the end we have to substitute the values 2 times. T is equal to 4 sine theta. So dt over d theta is equal to 4 cos theta, or only dt is equal to, if we will separate the variable, it is equal to 4 cos of theta d theta. So see, this is dt. Instead of this dt, I can write down 4 cos theta d theta, and instead of this t, 4 sine square theta. Now we are going to put the values. It is equal to 4 cos theta d theta divided by 4 square minus 4 square sine square theta. One more time I will show you from here. 4 square minus the value of t is 4 sine square theta. So this an integral of 4 cos theta d theta divided by, in first step we will take 4 square common. In the parenthesis we have 1 square sine square theta left. 1 minus sine square theta, you know, which is equal to cos square theta. So we will write down 4 square multiply by cos square theta. This square will cancel this, square will cancel this. We have 4 cos theta d theta divided by 4 cos theta. So this 4 will cancel this 4 cancel with this cos theta. Only we have d theta, right? So d theta, integration of 1 d theta or theta is theta, and the value of theta we will find out from here. Theta is equal to sine inverse t over 4, right? So theta inverse, which is equal to t over 4 plus c. I told you we have substitute 2 times, so at the end we have to substitute 2 time values. First is from here we got theta is equal to sine inverse t over 4, but the value of t is x plus 3. So again we have to substitute the value of t, which is x plus 3 over 4 plus c, and this is the answer. So again I will say that this question is very important. You have to practice it, but very easy. First of all, you have to arrange it according to the descending orders of the terms or powers. Then we had make the perfect square, right? Solve it, substitute the values, find out the integration. If it's still any point is not clear, without any hesitation you can ask me, and thanks for watching.